Hi everyone, this is Northville Tech. Welcome to this VectorVest sign-up tutorial. If you're looking to take your investing to the next level, VectorVest is an incredible tool that provides powerful insights and strategies for smarter investing. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the sign-up process so you can start using VectorVest right away. I will also include an affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. To start, on the fields provided, enter the email address and password you wish to use. Then click on Get Started. Next, select a plan. You could choose from Basic Plan, Enhanced Plan, and Premium Plan. In this case, we're going to select the Premium Plan. Click on the plan you prefer. After selecting a plan, we can now proceed with the billing section. On the fields provided, enter your first name, last name, and complete address. Also, make sure to enter the promo code below to access the free trial offer. Then click on Continue to Payment. Now, enter the password you wish to use on the fields provided. After that, enter your card details. Then click on the tick boxes to agree with the free trial terms of services, and policies. And then click on Complete Purchase. You will then receive a confirmation email. To proceed, click on Get Started Now. To learn system, you could sign up for a quick start course. Also, to access the system you could download the VectorVest 7 desktop software, or scan the QR code. That's how you sign up for VectorVest. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.